Hello, my name is Brian Gray and I'm the Northwest Region President, and I want to be one of the first ones to welcome you to Knife River. I know you've got a lot of choices of where you want to call home, away from home, where you want to work, but I'm so glad you chose Knife River. You're going to learn a lot today. You're going to be drinking through the fire hose through this new higher orientation, but there's one thing that I want to share with you, and that is that we genuinely care about you as a person. We care about your safety. We care about your work-life balance. We care what you think about your job. I am so glad you are on our team, and I really do look forward to meeting you out in the field. I encourage you to have a strong line of communications with your coach. I love hearing from each and every one of you. Feel free to give me a call anytime you'd like, or to email me. And so, welcome aboard and have a great first day. Thank you.
Well, to echo Brian, I want to take the opportunity to welcome you here to Knife River. My name is Joel Frazier. I'm a Vice President here with Knife River Materials. Today you're going to have a great opportunity to learn not only about our local operations, but about what we do here in Oregon and nationally. We'll spend a lot of time talking about safety and the importance of the 3 T's and the cardinal rules. We'll talk about the benefit programs and the things Knife River can offer you, as well as our other policies and procedures. And we'll also give you a list of your key contacts, so if at any time you have a question, whether it's in the field or at home, that you have someone to talk to. Again, we're very excited to have you on board here at Knife River, and I look forward to seeing you out in the field.